Hey everyone, so today I'm doing this palette. It's just an eyeshadow palette. Mixed a few colors to get this. I wanted to get a berryish color, so I kind of mixed like purple and red together and a little bit of pink. I'm gonna use this berry color right here. I have to say, I am impressed with these shadows. The quality's pretty good. I think I'm going to take this brownish color right here. It's like a brownish berry color. I guess you could say it is a berry. It's like a dark berry. The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Taking that pretty pink color right here for the highlight. That's a pretty color. I'm going to try this color for the inner corner. So last week I used one of the glitters from the other palette, and it was very greasy, so it did crease a little bit. So just gonna take the tiniest bit, and then I'm gonna go into this color right here, which is kind of like a fuchsia color, and just pat it in more. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, babe. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I used the darker blush, and it's pretty heavy. I tried to soften that with the powder, but that's pretty heavy. Anyway, so I tried to mix these two together, but it's still kind of heavy, and I used that as the highlighter. I used this berry gloss, the darker berry, on my lips. I did use the highlighting color for the shadow in my inner corners. So yeah, that's it. I have 2 more palettes, and I will do those in the coming weeks. Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly say for my hair, this is driving me nuts, so I think I'm gonna bleach the roots, but just on this side, and then do this side over. So that's driving me nuts.